I love my wife, don't play.
My people, wahala. While I'm not the finish show, from it on end with this video where I go put for now. He say he love your wife. He say anybody will want buy me, go buy. He say don't go pay bride price. He don't pay bride price. He say na your wife. He say all those people will be say just they cry for social media. He say they go cry tire. He say not they listening to them. Anyway, my people. Now no say Frank don't understand what it be saga. The one where be say they like I dey feel for his side now the mama Kevin with the children because they don't understand all this saga of 18. They know now remember we say mama Kevin thought say even though when they on the saga Frank she go just dey faint for his side house. Hey, oh my God. Anyway, you know say this saga who go feel settle the saga nobody because people when they do something they not go let go. That be the problem. If you do me, I will wait for you when I will come answer you. Now they go on. So the thing where go there, me mama Kevin not just reply anybody. For me, but now she get her mouth now adult because Frank already in don't dey inside the saga. If na maybe Frank also, if I not even reply anybody, I go leave them because you know say you first do them because now when person dey your life, then go draw that person. It's normal. All right, my people, wanna watch this video. Now from Victor Duan, I pray may everything go well. Maybe say me mama Kevin not come enter because they will carry those children join her too. Okay, my bye for now.
I'm a big fish. You select what they talk to. Who wants for me to write it my platform? I go write down. But you know one thing? I love my wife. Don't play. Award winner of the year now. I'm gonna go marry first bride price to be paid for the year 2024. One player, everybody, Frank don't know as is that. He's shocked. He's shocked, Abi. Auntie, open leg where they go fuck you, post twice, I leave you, dump you. Just the cry. The way I veer, Frank is bad. Alpha, I will make you guys to learn in a hard way. Don't play. You feel me? So go and pay bride price. It's very important. Go and pay bride price. Go and pay bride price. That single man yesterday is not a married man. Don't play. Now my time to shine. Don't play. You don't feel me? If you do any, you collect what. This year, not good for anybody. Now come out 20 times. I come out 40 times. I'm in the talk now. You understand? I'm transition this too. Tell you that this money say I did on travel leave. I did transit now. I did transit. Out of where? When you have money, you spend it wisely. You spend now when they spend that now. Money spender. Don't play. I want to pen on for inside. You know when you come here, costing you don't chop 4K. Alpha. When you carry 4,000, they go now. Prick another one don't carry 9,000. That's no one error. Arriba. A year for you. Man, don't turn everlasting property for another woman hand. Every day, you will be young girl. You fuck prick finish you wrong. They pursue you. You got to turn on sweet. Your body is not sweet. You don't tight. Too slack. You got to touch too slack. And slack because not get. I see tight when I hold on strong. I tell them, man, the lawyer for it's always sweet. Not be water because. You don't feel me? Go sit down and easy your body. Easy way be say your husband don't leave. When I tell you easy way bring your husband come and it's small boy for his house. When I tell him easy way go use money marry man for his house. Me man, I go use money marry the day for us. You will be young lady, young girl. You go use your money, go to pay bride price for small boy for his house. You see the talk. Go and sit down, my friend. What's your problem? You see the girl for so they talk to me. I are you boy or my sister, my brother, or my sister. Away, no. You go pay bride price you be on what you are good nego. That's why you cannot balance it now. You can do. I'm not better for. But don't make a noise. It's so good. Easy, baby. No, you have full fake baby. You buy your back boy. You go there. It's so good. Now you want to talk to my wife. I will pay you. I will be sweet on my neighbor. I will last sweet. Easy. Show your traditional marriage picture. Me and show my own. Show your traditional marriage picture. traditional marriage we show picture na dey kan we duare nya be si ku na viola marriage viola dey easy ogbedi show at the come this evening me I can't beat you better start not gonna beat you and if I share your nude with it work for media I know your medicine I go fit beat you hands down no you know your word I not be blessed to see you understand not be blessed to see you this one I'm beneath our space the way they use this they go the shout of English is not enough to speak your mouth blessed they use English they finish you go a bright price that we na pay just look by energy. You small but we jam go you documents. It never leave you. It never leave you. Wow. It's how we are go learning hard with this year. You see now we just making all those small guests we don't lash. Those we don't put it for me. I don't know they say enough but you don't put your breast, don't put it for me. I don't see a lot of my phone. Just they shout. You will shout with anger, and you know, complain. I don't marry. You can't change the clock. It's Frank o'clock. I worry in a small, I will do driving license, no worry. Not my problem. You don't know. I want a small thing now. You understand? The family of Ewi is supposed to be family. They supposed to not be their family. They say that the Murphy. Now go find people who will go stand as Ewi family, Ewi father. Go take a breakfast for us. Now the member of the family, they supposed to not be family, their family. You know family. You know this I know why. You know na can train me. I also work to Carolina. You know we know the family. All we area be or thing approve the DNA test. But that's the position when we are marriage. We I still believe her or tell matter because now the Murphy or worry. So the Murphy should provide people who have pay bride price in me. The Murphy have to do well according to the information reaching me. Understand? The Murphy should provide father. No ya mudia na wa afungo yo sabe se hu. We ni yanji enogi o wi ri yan. Yan ma accept enogi o wi ma accept the until the mother now provide the DNA test of enogi before the will be accepted into our family as the information reaching me. Every time we know the analyze it. We know ya movie no debunk e. Enogi no debunk e later now. No be quarrel. You understand? Na small go dey kill na go dey expose na small. It's I was sagan go na. E maro ni yangu go, maro ni yangu go. I want to do you go. You might take back the money and be like, I will not talk to them. I will only respond to women that are taking responsibility of the children they have through their purpose. Mothers that abandon their kids talking to me or talking to my precious wife. I don't respond to them. You know why? They are not capable to speak to my issue because why they don't take responsibility. When they start taking responsibility, taking care of the kids they have with their enemies, they are the men and about this man will start responding to them. Not women who their own fellow women are feeding their parents back home who come to advise me or talk to me or insult my wife. No, I don't understand them. I don't understand them. Woman with their own fellow woman, they feed their parents back home. I don't respond to those people. Before you talk about this man, first of all, go and take care of your children back home. It's very important. You understand? You can't tell say, either you feel boy, don't play. Don't answer this year. Go sweet. I love my wife. Don't play. I still love her. It is pain then. And the surprise when I think I will do. I want to put on a video today. Say no. So this is a surprise we want to do. Make I put on a video. We don't see. Each shower we can. At the shower and with gifts. Imagine that we don't be a main now. Might the gift we can. She's wonderful for accepting me into her life as the love of her life with peace and harmony. Even though money never did, the little I have to show my wife love. That will show those that shower love that at the end of the day insult me. The best thing is I'm blessed my wife with. She deserves it. She's precious, unique, lovely, caring, beautiful. With the beautiful children alongside. Hey, are you boy? Hey, are you boy? Oh, I'm clear. Or clean it, be. Here are you buzzer. Banana, my love, how are you doing? I said, how's work? Who want to know who are you now? And if you want to know what are you now? He made a lady winner, because I'm going to be I can't be also a bit more than one winner. David, our name, ma. What are we? Yan is Zangier, my debut. Look back at the mother bottle. The look would be a girl to the prestation on Yanu, who was the zero. Monument bottle. That is no. No, you are feeling video. I can be a blessed of work. You do not go him in any big one. But I'm not pushful, not responsible. Responsible dude like my wife. Hey, are you boy? Or they've buffed. I'll see. I'm a fire partner. I call you Yamayama. I call you Bola. Stretch my back by hour. Whatever walking, a bay a clip. Play face over him. Why are you facing? Is your baby? Whether they move him or sweet or making sense. There is stretch my people. There is stretch my people. No full month at my wife. Because he will be now as a husband. Full month my wife. When I say the denominator swag is a young girl. The denominator fear, the denominator salitia. One time when the denominator what I bet you might be. We do who might be. I will tell you here, mammy. Where are you quarter pete? It's sucker. Oh, honey, Kai, Osio Dukba. Oh,